In times of the coronavirus, this is what Istanbul sounds like at night. From their flats and on the streets, people are cheering and applauding Turkey's healthcare workers.
We want them to know that we're supporting them. May God help their work. May God protect them. Without them, we'd all be lost. It makes us proud to see our healthcare workers putting aside their own needs at a time when our society needs them most. For not letting us down and for all your great efforts, we thank you very, very much.
Istanbul is hardly recognizable these days. At the world-famous Sultan Ahmet Mosque, workers are disinfecting the squares that are usually filled by thousands of tourists. In fact, all mass gatherings in the country's nearly 90,000 mosques have been suspended. Some faithful now hold their prayers in parks, keeping their distance. Turkey is just at the beginning of what might grow into a health crisis. The country's first coronavirus death was confirmed on Tuesday. Since then, the number of cases has been rising. Istanbul is a city of 16 million, and the empty streets are a clear sign that many people here are taking the threat of infection seriously. Schools, pubs, gyms have been closed, and public transport limited. And the city's mayor has ordered workers in full protective gear to disinfect buses and subway trains on a regular basis.
Together we will get through this. Our country, our city can be an example for the world. An example in how to keep coronavirus cases and fatalities low. My fellow citizens of Istanbul, we do have difficult days ahead of us, but they will pass and everything will be fine eventually. Don't lose hope.
Don't lose hope. It is the same message that people send to Turkey's healthcare workers at night in Istanbul.